Welcome to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today, Demo dragged us out to Sedona on a turnaround trip. We got 4Runner crew David here, Magneto showed up, we got Seguro as the tour guide. He works for Pink allegedly. We already did a little bit of work. We went through the entrance because we had a big line holding up. Broken Arrow gets really busy on the weekends and during the week, so you want to make sure you show up early, get in here, knock it out, and then keep it moving. So all the hitters are here. Dustin wasn't able to make it. He was working on his truck. On his behalf, we're about to kill this video.
Mock crawling.
Mock crawling, yeah. It's a mock crawling edition for the views, So this is actually trails that I haven't done, that I was part of the 3 that I want to knock out this year. So Moab, San Hollow, and then Sedona were like the 3. This is the final one that I mean, I still have to go back to the other 2 because I haven't done everything. I've been there now, so now I see the difference between this and Cali. It's just different. This is way different. Also, Arizona, where'd you guys steal all these trees from? Because you're supposed to be a desert dog.
Not no more.
I know, it's beautiful out here. So we're gonna finish Broken Arrow and then we're probably gonna head back to Flagstaff or something and set up camp, and we'll get with you guys. So we're gonna air down. See you in a little bit. Yeah, look who's driving though. Look who's driving.
What's up? What's up? We're in Sedona now, motherfucker.
Yo, we're in beautiful Sedona. Ciao. Hey, that's one way to do it.
A little muscle.
Yeah. Sick ass fool. Yeah, we got 4Runner crew here. What's up? Hey, this is a wrong. You're wrong territory, dog. This is not for you. Woo! He made it. Notch it. Hey!
What am I gonna say? We out here with the Dirt Nation.
Say something, dog. This is out of your league. You're not supposed to be on rocks.
I came in training wheels, 33s. So
nah, this is perfect for him. This trail is supposed to be for mock crawlers, and hence why we brought the mock
that's
crawlers.
why you took my tent down.
Brought 2 mock crawlers here. Magneto's here. Josh is back there. Like I said, we're here to party. Seguro's here. Demo's gonna apparently drive Jaime's truck today because he brought his Accord. Oh, dog. Damn, Seguro. Woo! Damn, look at the colors, dog. I see you. Who are you, Feeny?
They reflect too.
Dude, it's Power Wagon guys, huh? Power Wagon guys don't know how to act.
That's true.
Demo, where'd you bring me, dog? So we just pulled up to one of the sections here. I think we're getting close to Submarine Rock. Magneto's gonna go first and then let the line go. All right, here comes Nikki. pasó nada, güey. Está bien. Hell yeah. Nice. Shoo! Sick. Damn, the views. Just pulled up to the next location here. It's called Chicken Point. Again, Sedona. This Broken Arrow trail is not tough, but it is very beautiful. You can see. Yeah, the views are amazing out here. I'm gonna get the drone up. I'm gonna get some action shots out here, and but yeah, a lot of it's a lot of chill. It is very Moab-y in certain sections, like, you know, very similar to what you see in Moab, only in Moab all this stuff is open, so it's a little bit different. Here you go in between and hit some dirt patches with some rocky climbs, but nothing crazy. I do recommend four-wheel drive. Lockers are not necessary. Josh is here without a locker. He has a lift but no locker, and he's doing just fine. So but yeah, Sedona has been a blast so far. We're gonna keep moving. Seguro's kind of taking us wherever he thinks is the best locations here at Broken Arrow. There's, I think, one more spot, and then from here I think we're going to a place called Dynamite Canyon, and then we'll wrap up the video there. So we'll be camping, making some tacos, and it's gonna be lit. So I'm gonna get the drone up, show you guys some of this beautiful landscape. See you guys in a little bit. What is this? What is this? Hello. The Jaime special, dude.
Jaime special.
Jaime always brings them shits.
Hardline lemonade.
Damn. Got those creepy crawlers. Damn, that's why Jaime goes hard, fool. Hardline juice and creepy crawlers.
Yeah, there you go.
We just pulled up to Temo Hill, allegedly, but there's two sections of it. Most of our guys went up here. I'm about to hit the notch section, which is a little bit harder section. The JK made it, Magneto made it. Magneto made it, Josh made it, Toyota Temo made it, so I'm gonna hit it now. But yeah, so it's a little up section. You can avoid it if you didn't want to do it. You can go that way, but everybody's hitting it. So I'm gonna let Nikki record, and we're gonna get it. Alrighty team, just wanted to give you guys a quick update. So as you move on through Broken Arrow, they do a lot of tours here in Jeeps. So there's a lot of moving. We have to move a lot. So if you're trying to hit obstacles or stop the flow of traffic, so you got to be careful when you do that. But other than that, there's a lot of grip out here when it's dry, and it's fun. Beautiful views, and we're gonna keep moving. The guys are messing around right now. Demo and Jaime, I think, are notching something. He's on standby, and then we're on standby also. So, but yeah, look, pink Jeeps behind us. They're gonna go around us right now to the left. There they go. Yeah, there's a lot of them going out, so you just gotta be careful when you're out here.
Tell everybody to calm down, wait.
Dude, Jay Josh is crazy, dog.
Well, it looks like it. He's doing one-ton lines, wait.
Yeah, one-ton lines before one-tons.
Yeah. Not too much. Little, yeah, right there. seguro. Hey, wait. Está loco ese güey, huh? Pinche seguro?
Oh, yeah.
That's $80,000 right there, güey. Fuck.
Persínalo, güey.
This bumper's clean right now.
Hey, güey.
Want me to take a picture of it right now?
Hey, persínalo, güey. Persínalo.
Let me take it before and after, fool.
Güey, espérate. Hey, persínate, güey.
Oh, damn, that shit's clean, güey. Wait,
Hey.
let me take a picture of the other side.
No, where you going?
I want to take a picture of it. Alright, dale, güey.
Hey, güey. Acuérdate, he brought the asada, güey. Eh? Hey, I hope you know somebody at the middle off-road, güey.
Hey, go live. Go live on this.
Hey, go live right now, dog. Your guys are gonna think you're a god, dude. Magneto, go line up next, dog. 2 4Runners doing a Jeep notch. Wait, that's gonna be the title. Hey, but real talk though, this notch is kind of scary. If you fall into this way or this way, that's your door.
I don't want to take the responsibility away.
Anybody want to drive it? Drive it in my car.
I'm not driving your shit.
You drove it to the toilet.
Yeah, different.
Toilet? Stay away.
This one kidnapped me.
Damn. Right there. Right there. That way. That way. That way. Slowly. Woo. Right there. Keep it. That's it. Shoo. Dude, you're leveling up today, dog. You're leveling up today. All right, team, quick update. So we're going through Devil's Staircase. That's the next section of this tour, I guess, that's Seguro is putting us through. Nothing too difficult. A lot of climbing up and down, but at any four-wheel drive low, we'll pretty much get through it. Yeah, there's tougher lines if you want to decide to, you know, give yourself a challenge, but for the most part, if you come out to Broken Arrow, you should be able to get in and out of here with a four-wheel drive low. Other than that, I mean, enjoy the views, and we're gonna keep moving. See ya. So what'd you think?
That was fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tippy, what'd you think?
Made your friend daddy.
All right, that was Devil's Staircase. We're gonna keep moving. All right, team, so I'm closing out the video here. As you notice, it's a weird location. Excuse the wind. The reason we're here is because Broken Arrow gets crazy busy. So if you come here on the weekend, make sure you're in and out really early because you get caught. It's really only one way in, one way out, and it kind of becomes a mess. But yeah, it's mostly because they have those pink Jeep tours there, which they do an awesome job. You know, a lot of people going in and out of there. But if you're a enthusiast of wheeling and rock crawling and all that, you just want to get in and out of a trail, that place is kind of a zoo. So you want to make sure you get in, knock the whole park out, get out of there, so that way it doesn't get that busy, because then there's traffic everywhere in Sedona. And Seguro says that out here on the weekends it's just busy all the time. So maybe a weekday trip, this is kind of location, but it's up to you guys. We had a really good time. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the footage. We're gonna talk to the guys, see what they thought. Demo, what's up, dude?
It's a good time.
Yeah.
The trail's rated hard, but it's not.
It's really not.
Yeah.
It's
Whoever
not.
rated it hard has a Tacoma on 539.
Oh,
fully locked, 35.
shit.
Nah, I just fucking with you.
He's playing. He's playing, but he's not.
Yeah, no, I'll play.
Jaime, it was really super hard, huh?
It was cool.
He said
I didn't even drive.
he said the drive here was harder.
The hardest part was getting out of the traffic.
Yeah, dude, for real. Yeah, so the trails, I mean, like any other place, you can choose a line that's easy or you can choose a hard line. I mean, the Devil's Slide, or what was it, Staircase, is probably the hardest one if you're shooting it up. Everything else is kind of doable. I mean, you can get crazy like we were in some of the sections, but most of it's very doable with 4 low, open diff, and everything. It's a wrap. No damage was done today. Everybody had a good day. We're just airing up, getting our last final things from the grocery store here. Jaime brought the full house. But yeah, we're wrapping it up there. Thanks again for sticking around. It was kind of a mess recording too, again, because we're like moving in and out so fast of the obstacles there. But hopefully you guys enjoyed the beauties, enjoyed the fun we had, because it was pretty dope. I'll show you guys what we cooked later, but we'll wrap it up here. The next episode will be probably like a Patreon thing, so make sure you guys check that out. And until next time, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow us on Instagram, Patreon, Facebook, YouTube, all the good stuff, and I'll see you next time.